Sound ever present, ever flowing, rushing and pushing over to sound movie. Good morning, thanks for taking our time to watch our water wheel model. Welcome to our room, Environmental Science. Let's go. Hello everybody. Today team 1 Forest Ecosystem. Mainly about food chain is going to present their models in front of you all. Froggy, grass, snakey, frog, monkey, snake. This is a food chain. The plant and animal of planet ecosystem have mastered the art of survival in harsh conditions. Oceans take approx 70% of Earth's surface, and one of the features that makes the planet unique. The 5 oceans are Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean.
These are all the circuits which control the logic.
From the Arduino.
I can show you how to. The motor rotates, helps rotating the belts and moving the platform attached with it.
Levitates and glides smoothly because there is no friction. Also, if you try pushing it towards the magnet, it gets repelled upwards, and it glides properly and smoothly.
I am an orangutan. You are killing me for my meat. I am penguin. I am the penguin. You are killing me for food.
When the water falls on the turbine, it moves the turbine, converting the kinetic energy of the falling water into mechanical energy, which is then converted into electrical energy, which glows the bulb like this.
This process is called induction. This can be termed as induction because there is no physical connection between the conductor and the magnet.
Just with the fresh water is very less, 3% with the pollution.
It aims to reduce the inequalities between and among the countries.
Surprised to know that everybody do not have the same kind of blood. Yes, there are actually 8 different types of blood groups.
All the students are participating. Every class teacher is putting a lot of efforts to ensure that students are able to present in a very professional way. The kind of work they have done, I am totally taken aback with the kind of work they have done. It's wonderful.
Especially sustainability, artificial intelligence, aligning with the small kids with such a big ideas is something very awesome. I just mentioned and witnessed great things today happen in both the classes.